guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this look right here. If you're ready to watch it, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. And now let's get ready to slay our face. Good morning, beautiful ladies. I am having a great day so far. My mug is saying nice things to me, and I appreciate it. Now to start with this face. Let's slay this face. I'm first gonna go in with this moisturizer. I've been loving this very much. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand, and now I'm gonna go in with some Ole Henriksen Truth Serum Magic, and I'm gonna work this into my skin. Next, going in with Mario Badescu facial spray. I'm also gonna go in with this Tatcha. I'm gonna go in with this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Now, to ensure my face will stay on all day, I'm actually gonna mix these two primers that I absolutely love so much. You guys would know by now since I use both of them a lot. So oh, I'm not flicking you guys off. So I put both dots right here, and I'm going to like mix it into my face. For today's foundation, I'm going to be using two Hourglass Stick Foundation and NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. I find this so cool to apply. You just slide it everywhere. It's supposed to be a heart, but that's an ugly heart. And now for this one. I'm just gonna like put it all over my face. Oh, that fell right on my pants. Okay, now with my beauty blender. Girl, I'm starting to look like a snack, but right now I'm still on the S of the snack. We're working towards the K. We're working towards the K. Now, to cover up these dark circles and to highlight, I'm going to go in with Tarte Tape Shave. Now, to set all the places where I put concealer, I'm going to pick up this Shade and Light Kat Von D palette, and I'm going to pick up the yellow shadow in the palette. This one right here is called Lyric. With a beauty sponge, I'm going to use the back. Pick that up and just dab it. Now, to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with a... why can't I ever pronounce this? Where is the name? Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Powder Makeup. This is such a long name. I'm picking up my handy dandy big old face powder brush. Girl, this face is not going anywhere today. Anywhere. Okay, now moving on to the eyes. I'm going to put like a vanilla shade on my brow bone. So I'm going to pick up this palette right here. This is Tarte's Pro palette. And I'm going to pick up this light vanilla shade. And I'm only going to apply this to my brow bone. This is going to be like my highlight. Now, going in this big old palette, the 39A Dare to Create palette, and I'm going to be using this beautiful shade right here. It's called, hold on, my list, it's called Create. And picking up this E40 fluffy brush. I am going to be applying this shade all over my crease from inner to outer. I'm just going to blow that up with this hot pink shade. Girl, this shade, whew, she got pigment. Girl, this crease is giving me life. Picking up this other brush, the fluffy brush. This is an It brush, and I'm going to be working this Forever Shadow in my crease line. So when I open my eyes, that crease right there, that's where I'm going to focus this. But before I actually continue, I'm going to apply some translucent powder on the outers of my eyes really quickly. So just like this. Now, let's keep going. When I put this right here, I'm going to be blending this shadow from the... Sorry, I can't talk when I do that. I'm going to be blending this shadow all the way out and all the way in also. Now picking up this shade in the palette, it's a brown with an undertone purple in it. It's such a beautiful color. It's called Expression. That's going to go in my outer V corner of my eye, and I'm also going to bring it up just a little bit higher to my crease line, but I'm just going to keep it on this side. You guys will see what I'm doing. So picking up that same brush, but now I'm going to use the opposite side, which is the all over shadow side. I'm gonna go right here. Just like that. I'm gonna make it a little bit more darker. Now I'm going to be cutting my crease. I'm going to pick up both of these bad boys right here. And I'm going to apply to the brush and cut my crease. So I've noticed people been putting it as close to the, like right here. And then they look up. What? So I guess I have to cut it there. Let's just do it. Now picking up a white shadow, I'm going to be going in the Sephora palette and picking up this white, and I'm going to set that concealer with. Okay, never mind on the Sephora palette. I actually picked up the 35C Morphe palette. It has a white shadow in it, and it works way better than that one. Okay, so the shadow kind of oxidized to a pinky white shadow. Now I was going more for a white shadow, but it didn't work out that way. So anyways, show must go on. Picking up this brush that I've been using, I'm going to use the all over shadow side, and I'm going to pick up this shade that I put on my crease, which is called Create. It's that hot pink looking one. And right where the, I don't know to call it white or pinky now. Right where that harsh line is, where these two shadows meet, I'm going to be tapping this shadow. Just to give it an ombre look. To blend them together. Then I'm going to wipe this off. Now I'm only going to use two shadows for the bottom lash. I'm going to use that dark purple and the hot pink shadow. So picking up the dark purple, I'm gonna put that as close to my lash line. Now picking up this other pencil brush, I'm gonna go in with that hot pink shadow called Create, and I'm gonna buff out just the edges with it. Ooh, that's a lot. That's still a lot. Get off. Now for my inner corner, I think I want to do a champagne pop. I'm not quite sure. I'm not gonna do it. I'm actually gonna pick up the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to go in with either this one or this one. One is more white and one has a yellow undertone. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Which one was this one? Did I go like? Oh my god. My life. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the second one. I'm put a little bit just to see how it looks at first. Now to put some lashes on to complete this eye look, I'm going to go in with Lauder lashes in the style My Crease, and to slay my brows, I'm going to go in with NYX Gel Brow. I have been loving that so much, and it's so affordable, so it's a plus. So I'm going to crank up some music because eyebrows take forever. And I'll see you guys whenever I have my lashes and my eyebrows, and then we can snatch this face. There we go, you guys. We are back with lashes and eyes, and I went ahead and add a little bit more pink on this side because I noticed that I was missing some. But now let's slay this face too. I'm gonna be using my Kat Von D contour palette. If I could open it. Picking up this brush right here, the Sigma F40 brush. I'm gonna go in with this middle shade in the palette called Shadow Play. Pick a little bit of that because it's very pigmented. And I'm going to apply it right here. So I picked up a little bit, and I'm going to build it up as I go. I'm also applying this on my jawline. Ooh, I went a little bit too heavy. You see why I say pick up a little bit? Oh. Now to glow up to the gods, I'm going to go in with Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. I love this highlighter so much. Picking up this Morphe M504 brush, I'm going to use this to put on this highlight. Girl, look at this. Now for lips, I've been really obsessed with mixing these two together. No, not this one. This one. Jordana lip liner in Hot Cocoa. I love lining my lips with this and then applying this over it. And we are finally done. This is the complete look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. And leave me a comment down below. Just saying hi or suggesting any future videos that you would like to see. And yeah, and I will catch you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.